to Algebra Prep Academy. The lesson for today is finding explicit and recursive formulas of arithmetic sequences. The formulas we are going to be using today are the explicit and recursive formula. Given the sequence, determine the explicit and recursive formula. Here are the first four terms of the sequence, which will help you determine whether the sequence is linear or not. Then you will need to find D, which is the common difference of the sequence, and your zero term, which you will also use as part of the formula. Step 1. Common difference. Find the common difference of the sequence. Looking at the third and fourth term, 1 and 9, subtract 1 from 9, which will give you 8. This means the terms are going up 8 each time, making the sequence linear. This is also your D. Find the zero term of your sequence. Since the terms are going up 8 each time, it moves to the right. Moving left one time from your first term, you will need to do the opposite and subtract 8 from negative 15, which will give you negative 23, your zero term. Explicit formula. Plug in the common difference, D, and the zero term into the explicit formula. D is 8 because it is a common difference of your sequence, and A0 equals negative 23 because it is the zero term. Recursive formula. Plug in the common difference in the first term of the sequence. The common difference, D, which is 8, and A1 is negative 15 because it is the first term of your sequence. You will need the first term, A1, so you will start at the right point in the sequence. Given the sequence, determine the explicit and recursive formula. Find the common difference to get the explicit and recursive formula for the arithmetic sequence. Find the common difference by subtracting 7 from 5, then use the common difference to find the zero term. You will find the zero term by reversing the common difference. You will need both the common difference and the zero term to solve these formulas. For the explicit formula, plug in the common difference and zero term into the explicit formula. Plug the common difference into the recursive formula. You will need A1 so you can start at the right place in the sequence. Given the sequence, find the explicit and recursive formulas. Find the common difference. Find the difference of each term, and then find the zero term using the difference. You will need the zero term and common difference to find the recursive and explicit formulas. Plug in the zero term and the common difference into the explicit formula. Plug in the common difference into the recursive formula. You will need the first term in the sequence so you can start at the correct place. That is how you find explicit and recursive formulas of arithmetic sequences. Thanks for watching!